Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'd like to share with you some information and show you my cards for my online class in February 2021. In this class, we will be creating 6 beautiful handmade cards using the new Dragonfly Garden Stamp Set. This stamp set can be found in the Stampin Up new January through June mini catalog or online. To sign up for this class, please email me at chelsea@creativechelsea.com. Let's go ahead and see those 6 cards now. Here are the 6 cards we will be making during this class. These cards have wonderful texture to them. One thing we will be learning in this class are some different watercolor techniques and how to use them to give variety to the stamped images. This class will run during the first 2 weeks in February, from the 1st through the 12th. I have class on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday during those 2 weeks. The fee for this class is $30, and you can register by emailing me at chelsea@creativechelsea.com. Please contact me as soon as possible to reserve your spot. You can get all the information for this class on my blog at creativechelsea.com, and the link to my email as well as my blog are listed below in the description box. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit will include all the pre-cut cardstock and card bases, white envelopes, 12 6x6 sheets of Dandy Garden Designer Series paper, Mossy Meadow braided linen thread, and the ladybug trinkets. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. You're going to want to purchase the Dragonfly Garden Stamp Set and the coordinating Dragonflies Punch. Now you can purchase these in a bundle and save 10%. You will also want the banners Pick-a-Punch, or you can flag the ends of your labels yourself. That's totally up to you. You do want the new style of water painters, and the reason for that is because one of them has a fatter brush tip, and we do have some techniques that we'll be using that brush with. You do need some ink pads. The first one is StazOn, and it's in jet black, and you will want the StazOn cleaner. And this is just an old packaging, but this is a really great ink to use with watercoloring because it doesn't bleed or move off your paper. And so it's not water-based, and so you do need a special cleaner to get it off your stamps. You will also need these 5 ink colors. We've got Bumblebee, Blackberry Bliss, Calypso Coral, Mossy Meadow, and Misty Moonlight. And then for your stamps, you do need some clear blocks, and I recommend at least having the size C. We've got size D and size I. Along with those other supplies, you will need some adhesive and your regular crafting tools supplies. And I'll just walk you through some of the things I recommend you having. So I've got the mini glue dots, some multi-purpose liquid glue, the Stampin' Seal, and some tear and tape, as well as some Stampin' Dimensionals. And then the tools that I like to use are kind of just basic. I've got a stamp cleaner, and I really love the Simply Chamois. And then I do have 2 different pairs of scissors. I have the paper snips, and then a nice pair of fabric scissors for ribbon. And then I do love the Take Your Pick tool, so I also recommend having that, and a bone folder. And then you will need a paper trimmer to trim down your designer series paper to the correct size. All of my online classes are done through a private Facebook group. In this group, we will have 6 Facebook Live sessions scheduled during the 2 weeks of class. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card and show you the techniques needed. If you are able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will stay in the group so you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be posting written PDF instructions for each card in this group. If you are not on Facebook, you can still participate through email. After each session, I will send you a link to watch the replay along with a written PDF giving you step-by-step instructions for each card. I am so excited for this class and hope that you decide to join me. You can sign up by emailing me at chelsea@creativechelsea.com and visit my blog for more information. That's creativechelsea.com, and both those links are found in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.